Hello guys, so have a look at how this program will look like. This is the program to print stopwatch to the screen and that will run forever. Just have a look, pause the video and have a look at how this program has been coded. I will write it in a couple of seconds. So guys, let's start programming. First of all, I'm including the required libraries. The first library required is hash include. It is the IO stream used for input output, and hash include windows.h for sleep and cls command. Okay, using namespace. First of all, what I'm doing is I'm declaring the function for the stopwatch. So let me name it the type. It is a type of integer. Let me name the identifier as time, and I'm including it will contain three variables of the type integer. So first one is hours, second one is for minutes, and the third one is for seconds. Okay, so that's where I declared my global function for the stopwatch. Now let me define the function, that what actually will happen in this function. So first of all, I'm putting a condition, and that is if the seconds sorry, I just remember what you name a variable, just exactly name it, otherwise this program will not work. Let me name the second, the condition is if the seconds are less than 60, and I'm using an AND operation. That means all the condition must be satisfied in order for this code to run, and the minutes are less than 60, and hours are less than are greater than equal to 0. That means that the hours initially will be 0 and that will go on up to the infinity. So what I'm going to do is to output the screen hours. You can output your stopwatch in many ways as you want, but the simple way is this. MIN for minutes, 40, and SEC for seconds. What I'm going to do after that, when this is printed to the screen, then I want a delay of 1 second, and the time is here in milliseconds, so 1000 milliseconds mean 1 second. And system CLS for clear the screen. Now what I'm going to return the value of the function time. Hours will remain unchanged, the minutes will remain unchanged, and the second will get increased by 1. Okay, this was the first condition that needed to be satisfied. The second condition is else if. What if the seconds reaches 60? What's going to happen? Obviously the minutes will increase by 1. So print the same cout. Okay, print the same and minutes, and return the value of the time. So what will happen? Hours will remain unchanged, minutes will increase by 1, and seconds will go to 0. So the benefit of putting here 0, that it will initialize again this statement. So this program will run forever. And this phenomena, that calling a function within a function, is called recursion. So what if minutes reaches 60? What's gonna happen? Nothing but the same will be printed. I'm going to copy this. It will save you time. Just learn the technique. And here, minutes will go to 0 and the hours will increase by 1. Okay, so that's our function. Now we have defined the function. Now it's time to call it in the main function because the compiler will always run the main function. So now I am calling the function and I'm giving initial values. All the three variable is 0. That means the stopwatch will start from 0, 0, 0. Let me run the program. Okay, so I'm going to run the program, that is execute, compile and run. Here you guys can see. So that's how your stopwatch will look like. Now let me check it by increasing the time 0.1. Let me run it again. Compile and run. So let me check it. The minutes and hours works right or not. Guys, have a look at. So now as the seconds reaches 60, the minutes one increase by 1, and that's how it will happen with hours. Once again, let's have a look at the program. What I did is just declare this function and then I defined this function by putting the condition, the required condition, and then I called that function in the main. So that's how. You can also play with this program in many ways. You can put a limit that what if the hours reach 12, what's gonna happen? So you can return the value again to the function. So when the hours gets to 12, the stopwatch will return the 000 value and it will run from the start again. So you can play with it in many ways. Now let me check. You see, hours 1 gets increased by 1. So when this one reaches 60, this will increase by 1. This one reaches 60, this will increase by 1. That's how this program gonna work. I hope you guys would have understood the concept behind making this program, that is recursion and nested if statements. And if you guys have any difficulty, any question, just ask me in the comments. I will love to answer that. Thank you guys for watching.